Your Apple Wallet region is determined by your account's settings, country or region. So what you have to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and at the top, tap on your name or your picture. You will be redirected to your Apple ID page where you can select Media and Purchases as I've highlighted over here. When you tap Media and Purchases, you will be able to tap View Account, and there might be a request for you to sign in, and after you input your credentials, you will be able to access the account settings where you can choose country/region. You will be able to tap on your new country or region, and you have to review the terms and conditions, and as long as you agree, you will be able to go through the process and select a new payment method and new payment information and billing address to add to your Apple account new region. After you are done with this process, the region will be changed and synced accordingly through all other Apple apps, and you can also open up the Apple Wallet to see the change in action. As long as you change your country or region through the Settings app, it will apply to every other Apple service.